All right, welcome to another Tuesday Tidbit. So this one is how do I avoid marketing calls when shopping for a mortgage? So here's how this usually goes down. You reach out to your favorite lender, this guy, and you ask to get pre-approved. Send you a loan application, you fill out the application. When we get that, we pull credit. Okay. And when we pull credit, what happens is the three-headed monopoly that is the credit bureau. So Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, they will sell off the fact that you are in the market for a mortgage to a number of different creditors. Some you may have had a working relationship with before, many you have never even heard of before. But what they do is they sell off your name, phone number, email address, and the fact that you're in the market for a mortgage, and they sell that off to a bunch of different creditors. And they start to bombard you with calls and texts and emails. I've had many people receive over 40 calls to shop their rate, get you a better rate if they can. It's absolutely just completely onerous. I mean, they're unrelenting. It's ridiculous. So here's what we've been doing. We've been prompting borrowers to go to optoutprescreen.com, optoutprescreen.com. And you can, at the very bottom of that page, opt out of this service where TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax will sell off that piece of information. It takes all of 3-5 minutes to do. We've actually been doing it as a courtesy for our members before we even pull credit because we're trying to cut down on those calls. But you can do it anytime. When you opt out, it actually opts you out for 5 years. There's a lot of talk of this practice as a whole being made illegal. It's in front of the Collection Financial Protection Bureau, and there's a lot of talk about this being brought to quite literally Congress to see if there is any way to get rid of it. This practice has been around for many years. The more desperate lenders are, the more likely they are to call you. And what happens in tough years like 2023, 2024 for lenders is there's just a lot more desperation, and they tend to call a lot more frequently. So it depends. It ebbs and flows with the market. It's entirely possible that in the future this is actually made illegal, but that's exactly what's going on. It's not Elevations, for instance, or any other lender for that matter, selling your information off to them. In fact, it would work against us to have all those lenders reach out to you. But it's certainly a problem, and it's ridiculous the amount of calls that you can get. So sorry in advance. If you want to get ahead of it, optoutprescreen.com, and you can opt yourself out of that. Lasts for up to 5 years. Thank you so much. Hope that helps. Talk to you next time. Bye.